Dhyan is a simple but not a kathar katha, not who has the dhyan he can, who has no dhyan they cannot. That is not right. If we discuss that, dhyan is prarthana for the dhyo as the prarthana, as the dhyo, as the son who observes to his mother or father, that is parents. There is no time they observe to mother or father. He has no think, the son has no think, he observed, just like Bhakta observed to his Ishwar. His Ishwar, Kulki Avatar, is father, mother, that he is Param Dayal, Param Dayal, Param Dayal. The son thinks his parents is Param Dayal, just like Bhakta thinks the Ishwar, Ishwar's Kulki Avatar is Param Dayal, Param Dayal. There is no right time, there is no think, they dhant. If we think mantra, that is right. Mantra means your mind. Mantra. Mantra. The mind is your. That is your moon is mantra. And your mind send another cards. That is dhan.